So here's how I've made a custom GPT to run PHP in Code Interpreter instead of Python. This is the prompt, just regular prompt telling it to generate code in PHP. And then I've mentioned that it needs to use the PHP binary, which we're going to get to in a second. And I've mentioned that it should always give the complete output using code fences, which will make it look good when it shows to the user. Then I've also mentioned that before using the PHP binary, the permissions need to be fixed. They need to be set so the binary is executable. And I just gave an example of how to do that. And finally, I have specified how that PHP code needs to be set up so that it can be run by the binary. So the most important part of all of this is that you actually have a PHP compiled binary that can be uploaded to Code Interpreter. And then, of course, Code Interpreter needs to be enabled. So that's it. And I'm going to show you how it works. Count the number of vowels in a string as an example. And so what it's going to do is it's going to write a PHP function first that counts the number of vowels in the string. It's going to give an example of that. And if I say run it, it's going to take a few seconds to write out all of that code again. But once that's done, it's going to pass that to the PHP binary and it's going to get the output.